Hi guys, Eric Grasshopper here. I just wanted to show you a little bit about our stand-on. We're having good luck with this model. It's got some very unique features that others don't have, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. The first thing to talk about is the up and down of the tower. Grasshopper, from what I understand, is the only one with this. Be easily adjusted with the 3/4 inch drive. It's got a 4.5 inch up and down adjustment. So if you got a shorter operator or you got a taller operator, all you got to do is just. So I showed you the tower moving, which is a great feature if you have multiple operators and you can get it comfortable for where it's natural for you. The other unique feature that Grasshopper is the deck, the engine, and the transmission all move as one assembly. So your belt life is going to last a lot longer. We got the side discharge control kit on here for when you don't want to throw grass at cars or flower beds or air conditioners, so that's a nice feature. You got the great cutting deck. This comes in 52 and 61 inch deck sizes. Another thing they did is they used the T-drive. So what that means is you're going to get a great feel. Everybody that's ran this machine says it's very, very smooth. 500-hour service intervals on your T-drive. And again, it's one of a kind. It gives you that pump and wheel motor setup and that natural feel. You got a place to put things such as your phone, and there is a charging port in here so you can charge your phone up if you choose. It's got the LED lights, which are incredibly bright, and that is a standard feature. Some other options are the bucket kit, which is super nice. So if you got debris, you can pick it up and have a place to put it. We do have the trimmer holder. So if you got large properties or subdivisions, you can bring your trimmer with you. So that's really, really handy. The Trim Master roller, I really like those. Again, so you can get up close to things and you're not beating up your deck. A lot of the feedback we've been getting that people have got on this machine is the ride. It is very, very comfortable. They got some shock dampeners back here as well as spring. And you lean up against this pad and it's just incredibly comfortable. And then the feel of the machine. I was actually down at Louisville last year. I worked Grasshopper's booth. I showed this to commercial operators, and everybody that got off of it said it's very, very comfortable and it is incredibly smooth. Another nice feature of the Grasshopper stand-on is if you have the deck off, your PTO not engaged, you don't always have to mess with this brake. So you can get off the machine as it is running and pick up the debris and get back on it, and you don't always have to set this brake. It's a very, very nice feature that when you get it out in the field, you'll really appreciate it. So in summary, I've listed a lot of the unique features of the Grasshopper stand-on, and from what our research has been, this is priced incredibly competitive in the marketplace. So go see your local dealer and check it out. Don't be afraid to ask for a demonstration.